The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. Markets shift overnight. Technology reshapes the way we interact with money. And economic policies ripple across the globe, impacting every one of us. Welcome to the financial revolution. We are entering a new era of economics. Traditional models are being challenged by the rise of digital currencies, automation, and geopolitical shifts. It's a time of great uncertainty but also immense opportunity. This era is not just about adapting, it's about transforming our financial systems to be more resilient and inclusive. In this documentary, we explore the forces driving these changes. From surging inflation to central bank policies, and from the rise of digital assets to the challenges of economic inequality, we uncover what's at stake. These are not isolated phenomena, they are interconnected threads weaving the fabric of our global economy. Inflation has become a household word. Rising prices affect everything from your morning coffee to your monthly rent. But what's really behind these rising costs? And how can we adapt? Understanding inflation requires dissecting its components, supply chain disruptions, consumer demand, and the broader economic environment. Inflation isn't just about money printing or supply chain issues. It's a complex interplay of factors, including consumer behavior, geopolitical tensions, and technological disruption. Each factor contributes to the pressure we feel in our daily lives, emphasizing the need for informed financial strategies. Central banks hold immense power over the economy. Their decisions on interest rates and monetary policy can make or break markets. But are they always making the right call? Their actions ripple across industries, influencing employment rates, consumer confidence, and global trade dynamics. Central banks are walking a tightrope. Raise rates too quickly, and you risk a recession. Move too slowly, and inflation runs wild. It's a balancing act with enormous consequences, affecting not only national economies but also individual livelihoods. Meanwhile, the digital revolution is reshaping finance. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and decentralized finance are challenging traditional banking systems. Are we witnessing the birth of a new financial order? These innovations promise greater accessibility and transparency but also bring significant challenges, including security concerns and regulatory uncertainties. Decentralized finance offers unparalleled freedom and transparency. But with great innovation comes significant risk. Regulation will be key in determining its future. This balance between freedom and oversight will define the trajectory of digital finance in the years to come. So, how do we adapt? Whether you're an investor, a business owner, or simply trying to manage your personal finances, understanding the trends shaping the economy is essential. Preparing for the future means not only staying informed but also taking proactive steps to secure financial stability. The financial revolution is here. It's not just about surviving but thriving in an ever-changing world. Together, let's navigate the new economy and seize the opportunities of tomorrow. The future belongs to those who are prepared to innovate and adapt. Subscribe for more insights and strategies to master your financial future. Our journey into this financial revolution is just beginning, and staying ahead of the curve has never been more important.